Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn how we can install the EVE-NG. For our CCNA lab, for CCNP lab we are using the EVE-NG, even for the Palo Alto firewall, FortiGate firewall and Checkpoint, and for other firewall also we are using EVE-NG. So in this video we are going to learn how we can set up the EVE-NG. If you see nowadays, if you go to the EVE-NG website and click download and go for the free EVE community edition, when you click this you will go to this page and from here you can download. This is a version currently we have 6.2.0-4 and this is freely available, we can download, but before you have the OVF file, now we have the ISO file. So in this video we are going to learn how we can install the latest EVE-NG in 2025. In 2025 you will see ISO file in the official website, not the OVF. So you can download this one or this one. This is free of course, no need to pay anything. If you want the paid one, this is a paid one. Okay, but now we are using this one. So click and download. This is 3.2 GB. Already I downloaded. If you see this one, here we have this one. Already I downloaded. So you can download. And how to set up means what you need the VMware workstation. First you need to install this VMware workstation. This is very simple and easy. Already I have some EVE-NG and the CML, so you can ignore that one. Now we will install the new one. So whatever I have here, before I install that one is showing here. Now what you need to remember here, like you need this VMware workstation. You need the VMware workstation. First you need to install this. After that only you can do the EVE-NG installation. So this is also freely available. You can download from this website. I already shown in many videos and in our live batch everywhere how to download and everything. So you can download and install. After that, what you need to do here, you need to install the EVE-NG. So how we will install the EVE-NG? Just go here in the file and here you can see new virtual machine. Okay, you will go to file and then you will click new virtual machine. When you click new virtual machine, you have this type of interface. You will select the custom and click next. After that, if you see, you will get this option. This is a default option. Whatever you are getting, keep as it is and click next. Okay, you will click next. When you click next, you will see this type of interface. This type of interface you will see. So you can keep default one only. I will install the operating system later. You will select this option. By default you will have this one only. Just click next. So when you click next, after that you have this option. Linux is selected by default and here you have Ubuntu 64-bit. So you can keep like this only and click next. After clicking next, here name you can give whatever name you want to give. Example, here I give EVE-NG, CML, whatever I give, you can give any name here. That is up to us what name we want to give. Example, if I want to give the EVE-NG, I can give EVE and I can write here whatever I want to give. Like I want to give EVE-NG. Okay, full I am giving EVE-NG. So this is a name, it will appear here. Okay, so whatever name you want to give, if you want to give CCNA, CCNP, you can write that one, or you can write like this also. And this is a location where it is going to install. You can change the location also. Example, if you say I don't want to install my C drive, I want to install in some different drive, then you can go and check where you want to install. You can check in your PC how many drive you have, in which drive you want to install. So example, I have more space in E drive. Okay, in E drive I have more space. So in E drive I install already CML and the GNS, so I can use E drive. I created already one folder, I will install in that one. So I selected E drive. Here I have one folder. This one I created virtual folder. In this one I can create the new one. I will create the new one and then I can give the name. What name I will give here? I will give the name like EVENG. Any name we can give, so it will be easy for us later to track. So I will give EVENG. Okay, and then I will click this. So this folder will be selected and I will say OK. So here if you see in E drive, I created virtual folder. In that one I have another folder EVENG, that one I selected, and name I give this one EVENG. Or if you want to give different name, you can give any name you wish, whatever name you want to give. Okay, after that click next. When you click next, here how many processor you want to give, number of processor you can put here, and number of core you want to give you can put here. So our wish based upon how many processor you have, you can give. If you want here, before I give 4, so I can give 4 also. You can give 2 based upon how many processor you have, or whatever default is coming you can use default also. Okay, so I will click next. You can see I created next. After that, how much RAM you want to give. By default you have 4 GB. In the EVNG, how much RAM you want to give. Like here I give 32 GB. I have 128 GB RAM in my this server, so I can give more. For me no problem. If you don't have more RAM, you can give 4 GB, or if you have more RAM, you can give more RAM also here. Example, I can give 32, or I can give 32 I can give. Let me give 32. Okay, after that we can click again next. When you go give next, you have the default option, keep as it is, whatever we are getting. Use the network adapter, this one network address translation, keep like that only, and click next. Okay, when you click next, you will have this option, and this is a recommended, take that one only, click next. And when you do next, you will get the another one. This is also recommended, this one only, so select that only. And after that, when you do that one, here you have created new virtual disk, use the existing disk, or we have this option, so we will take the first option only, default one. After doing the default one, you have here the multiple disk. So in the place of this multiple disk, you can keep the virtual disk as a single file. This one you need to select, and how much hard disk you want to give, you can select here. So we can give 200 or 400. Like if you want to install more images in the EVENG, you can give more, or you can leave 20 also. I can give 200 or I can give 400. That is up to me. So I am giving 400 because I have more, what we can say, more space in the hard disk. 400 GB I want to give. Okay, so if you don't have that much space, you can give maybe 50 GB. That is also enough. Okay, after that click next. See here, let me show you again. Here I give 400, and here this is important. You need to select single file, not the multiple file. That is important here. And click next. So when you click next, you will have this option, keep like this only, click next again. And here after that, don't finish this one. You will have the option to finish this one, don't finish. Click here, customize hardware. When you click customize hardware, after that you have 32 GB here, you have the 4, what we can say, this processor. So this first option you have here, if you see virtual Intel, select this one. Okay, after that you can go to the next one, this one CD auto detect, select this one. This should be connected. After that you should select this one. Okay, and browse here and select the image where we keep. Example, I keep in the D, and where this one. So I need to browse this one. So this image came here. Okay, this image came here. After that, what we will do? After that, here NAT adapter already selected, so we can close this. So see here what we have, this option already there, and this option already there. Here this one is not checked, so you check this one. After that, when you go here, you don't have file, you select this one, and this should be selected by default. Here you select this and you browse that image file, and here by default you have NAT, keep as it is and click close. So you will get this hardware. After that you will click finish here. Okay, you will click finish. So here we set that one. So this is that one. Now what we need to do, we need to click power on here. So they will install. So I will click here, power on this virtual machine. So request for power is already in progress. So I will say OK, and here if you see, you will get this option. So this first option we need to select. So here first option we need to select, so you can click or automatically he will take the first option only. So now they are going to install, so we need to wait. Just we selected the first option, so it will do, and after that you will see you will have option here like select the language. So we need to wait for some time, and here if you see they are going to install, they are doing the installation. Here we need to wait for some time. You will get the language here, so you need to select the English language, English, and you need to confirm. So we will wait. This will take some time, you need to wait here. And this one we are not using, so this one before I open, so I can close, and this is only the one new one which we are installing in the other drive. So I can keep like this, and it is connecting. We need to wait. Already we have the NAT cloud here, so they will download the supporting file, and here English language came. You can click here English, and here press enter. After you press enter, they are asking English language we selected, so you can click enter again, and after you are clicking the enter, you have the option here what option you are getting. Are you sure you want to continue? So you need to select continue and click enter. So now they are going to do the installation. All the installation they will do. So we need to wait for some time. They will do all the installation. So they will do the installation. After the installation is finished, we need to remove some file also. So they will do this installation. So we will wait for some time. Okay. Or if the video becoming lengthy, I will pause the video. After they finish this, I will unpause. So if you see still it is loading. Okay, so we need to wait for some time. So we need to wait, like this installation will take. So it is taking, we need to just wait, don't do anything, just wait. So they will install this package. So we will wait. After that you will have the option to reboot. We will reboot that one. Or let me pause the video, okay, else the video become lengthy. So if you see it is rebooting now, okay, it is rebooting now. So what we can do here, so once it is reboot, what we can do, we can go here. Let me check if we have the setting option here. In this setting, without switching off that one, go here, and in this one we will remove this. We don't need the CD-ROM, already we installed, so remove this one. So I remove that and click here OK, and you have here the EVNG. Okay, so here you can log in, you can write root is a username and EVE is a password, and here we log in. They will give you like this. Just click enter only, don't change anything. Okay, just click enter, everything click like this only, and it will reboot. Don't change anything. So it will reboot, we need to wait, and then it will come back again. So now this is back again. Okay, now again you can write root and EVE. So you can see now we log in. So everything is good. If you want to power off, you can power off also. Example, I want to power off, I will click this power off. So it will stop now. Okay, everything is there. Again I want to power on, I can click here power on. So it will take time and it will power on. We need to load the images here because still we did not load the images. So we need to power on and we need to load the image. So we are going to use the WinSCP to load the images, because whatever the router, this is application, we need to use WinSCP. This is easily available on the internet. Just you need to type in the internet, and after that you can install. Installation is also very simple. Just you need to click next, that's all. And here I will create new, and then here put this IP whatever you have, 192.168.17.139. this is our EVNG IP. And username you need to put this one, root, and the password is EVE. Okay, and click save, and here also save the password and click login. So we log into the EVNG. Okay, and here we are inside the EVNG. So you can click this. So we will go out. You need to select the OPT. Okay, unit lab, add-ons, and here you need to load the images. So in this folder you need to load the router images, and I have already images here. If you see, let me show you here where I have in this drive softwares, I have EVNG images. So this is router images. I can select like this all and drag and drop here in this location. So I will select this all and drag and drop like this. So it will move here in this folder. This is the router images we are moving here. And then go back again, and after that what we will do, we will go in this IOL and BIN, and here you need to load the switch images. So this is a switch image, this is a license of the switch images. Just select and drag and drop here. Already they arrange as per the name of the EVNG website. So just like this we need to load. Naming we have in the EVNG, we need to follow the naming. So this is already I arranged with the name, so no worries. And go back from here, and you can see this is a QEMU folder. If you want to load the Palo Alto firewall, FortiGate firewall, or any firewall, or the Linux machine, Windows machine, you need to load here. But here you need to remember, example, if you go to this one and you go to documentation here in the EVNG, and you can see here naming, you will have somewhere QEMU image naming. If you click this one, QEMU image naming, you have here example. If you want to load like what we can say, like Linux, or I will Palo Alto. If you see here, if you want to load the Palo Alto firewall, so you can see here this first column is for the QEMU folder name. So folder name should be this one, and this is a vendor. Image name should be this one. So this is a folder name. So whatever image you want to load, you need to create the folder name this one. So if you want to load the Palo Alto firewall, so where you have Palo Alto, go there and see what is the name is written here. Like that you need to, like this. Folder name should you should give the folder name like this, and dash you can put the version, any number, 1, 11, 12, 13, anything, but folder name should be like this. And in image name should be this one. So I already have that one. If you see here, this is a folder, this one. You should not have folder in folder. You can see this is a folder name. Here what I have here, this one, folder name dash, I give number. Inside image name should be this one. So I have this one only. This .q cow2, that is the extension, so no need to consider that one, just consider from here. So whatever is there, that is ready. So just I go out, this is a folder. So I need to drag and drop this folder in the QEMU. So this is a QEMU folder. In this one I need to drag and drop. So this one, just you should not have folder in folder. Here see, when I go inside folder, I have image directly. So like this you need to load. This is for Palo Alto version 11. Same like this you can load the Palo Alto version 10, and if you have the window 11, window 10, you can see image naming whatever is available here, and you need to do the same thing. Example, here if you want to load the window, you can search like this, and you can see folder name should be win dash any version you can give, image name should be this one or this one. Okay, and if you are loading the server, folder name should be this and image name should be this. So I will do now like that way only. So this one is copying here. After that I will load that. So I have that image also. First I will load the, here I have the 10 also. So this is a image and this is a Palo Alto. So Palo Alto I will put here version 10 also. 11 I load before, this is a 10. Now after that this is a window 10. So I have folder and image. So I can drag and drop this one, and I have the window 11. This is also folder name, and that one, this is a server, and this one is a window XP. So I can just drag and drop this there. That's all. Okay, one by one we need to do that one. So when we do this one, it will load it here. After that you need to put the permission command. Once you put the permission command, then all the image will start. You can do your lab. Okay, so let's see here. I am loading the image. It will take some time based upon your CPU and the processor of your PC. So this window 10 I will load because I am doing the lot of different batches. So I need this all, but if you are not doing, no need to take, just you can put the router image, switch image, that is sufficient for you. But for me I am teaching Palo Alto, FortiGate and lot of things, so I need all this one. That's why I am putting everything here. Later I will put more also, but now just I am showing you how to put. So I put window 11, window 10 I put. I can put the window 11 also like this, and Windows Server also I can put, and I can put window XP also. Just you need to put. After that you can go to Google and write here EVENG permission fix command. Permission command you can write, and this is a permission command. You can copy like this, and when you finish all loading these images, after that you need to put this in the VMware workstation. So you have the VMware workstation here, this one. So you need to log in here. Okay, login detail is available here, root and EVE. After that go here and paste like this, and click again back to the black screen and click enter. So this permission command is executed. After some time, see, it is executed. But when you put all the images, after that do, it will be easy. Or what you need to remember, whenever you add any image or remove any image, you need to put this permission command. Okay, so better load all the images same time, and at last put that permission command. Okay, so this one what I load 11. So now I can load the server and then XP. Just drag and drop. So I put server and then I put XP. Okay, so already I loaded everything. Okay, now again I can go to VMware workstation. I can put the permission command, and then I can go to any browser and I can type the IP address here, whatever IP we are getting, this one. So 192.168.17.139. okay, press enter. So it will open the EVENG. Username is admin and the password is EVE, and now you will go inside. So this is a, what we can say, new EVNG what we install. You can create any folder here. Example, I will say CCNA or anything and add a folder. So you will have this folder. Just click here, go inside that folder and create a new lab. Just click here, create a new lab and give here any lab name, example basic lab, and click here. So you have dashboard, right click, and you can see here we have, this is the Cisco router and switches. And if you go below, you will see we have what else, Palo Alto Firewall, and here you can see window and Windows Server, whatever we loaded. So you can take and test here. You can take one what we can say router here. Okay, just I am taking this way. You can select and click save, and you can right click and power on this one. So this router will power on. Double click here, open this, it will open and it is booting up. And just take the what we can say, you can take the switch. This is a switch. Just give the name here and click here, select the switch image here, any image which look like switch, and remaining you can keep like this, and just power on this one also, and take the CLI and see this one also loading. Here you can see the router is loaded here, and you can go to switch and check here switch is also working or not. You can see switch is working. You can write show VLAN brief, so switch is working. And in the router also you can write show, or you can go here and write show IP interface brief. So router is also working here. Switch is also working, router is also working. If you need the firewall also, you can go here and see Palo Alto firewall. This is version 11 and 10. I am taking 10 first. Click here, we need the NAT cloud, so click here and here select the cloud 0. Okay, and then cloud 0 connect to Palo Alto firewall management interface, this MGMT, and click save, and then power on this. So this Palo Alto firewall will boot up. After that, type that IP, whatever the IP Palo Alto get here in the browser, so you can access the Palo Alto firewall with GUI. Okay, this way you can install and use the devices. This will take 10 to 15 minutes, this Palo Alto firewall to boot up. So I will stop now. Anyhow, you will learn later when you join the Palo Alto batch or when you see our Palo Alto series. No worries, in this just we learn how to install. Okay, how to install the EVNG and how to load the image and it is working or not. So let me stop now. See you, bye.